Get ready to witness the power of extreme machinery as we dive into the world of massive chainsaws and monster excavators that make quick work of even the biggest trees. These heavy-duty machines are built for fast, precise cutting, taking down trees. If you're into powerful machines, logging equipment, and fast-action tree cutting, this video is for you. Now let's get started. This guy is on another level. He makes cutting trees look like a walk in the park, but trust me, it's not. People need to realize that he's not just slicing wood, he's working with the precision of a surgeon. Every cut needs to be absolutely perfect, and he nailed it. The Wer B768. The Wer B768 Feller Buncher is a purpose-built logging machine designed to cut down and gather multiple trees efficiently and safely. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, it can handle large trees and challenging terrain. It plays a crucial role in modern forestry, improving productivity in logging operations. It can accommodate felling heads with capacities up to 27 inches, allowing it to process a wide range of timber sizes. The Ru SH400. The Ru SH400 is a compact and powerful stump grinder designed for efficient removal of tree stumps in tight spaces. It features a unique pivoting design that allows the grinding head to move around the stump while the machine remains stationary, making it ideal for working in confined areas. Powered by a 25 HP Kohler Command EFI engine, the SHP4000 delivers exceptional performance and is known for its durability and ease of use. The FAE PT475 mulcher. The PT475 is a heavy-duty forestry mulcher designed for demanding land clearing and forestry tasks. It typically comes with a 475 horsepower engine, giving it robust power to handle dense vegetation and large trees. The machine's advanced hydraulic system powers the attachments, offering high performance and adaptability based on the job requirements. Overall, it's a high-performance forestry mulcher suited for large-scale land management projects. The Hexler 4. The Hexler 4 is a compact wood chipper known for its speed and efficiency. The Hexler 4 is known for its portability, powerful motor, and high-quality chipping mechanism, making it easy to use in tight spaces or smaller gardens. This wood chipper is equipped with sharp, durable blades that can shred branches up to around 3 inches in diameter, turning them into fine mulch or chips. It often features an easy feed-in chute and a convenient collection system to store or spread the processed wood. The video likely shows the process of cutting down a tree, which can be a humbling experience, highlighting the power of nature and the vulnerability of humans. This line emphasizes the brevity of life and how quickly a tree, which has taken a long time to grow, can be felled. It serves as a reminder of the impermanence of all things. The Peterson 5710D. The Peterson 5710D horizontal grinder is a high-performance tracked grinder designed for demanding industrial applications. It typically comes equipped with a powerful engine, often ranging around 1,050 to 1,200 horsepower, which allows it to process tough wood materials efficiently. It's known for its exceptional power, durability, and versatility, making it suitable for handling a wide range of materials, including wood waste, construction debris, and agricultural byproducts. Pelto TLA22 and TB1200. TLA22 is a cutting unit that can process both large diameter logs and bundles of mixed logs with different diameters and lengths. It is equipped with a circular saw and guarantees high performance. The TB1200 is a vertical splitting unit that is fully automatic and can process logs of any nature, producing a homogeneous output size with a significant reduction in waste compared to traditional machines. The Posh Shell Profi. The Shell Profi is specifically engineered to remove bark from logs, preparing them for various uses such as timber construction, crafting poles, or firewood production. The machine works by feeding logs through rotating blades that strip the bark off. It offers adjustable settings to handle different log diameters and bark thicknesses, and it aims to minimize damage to the wood surface while maintaining high throughput. The Ru Raptor 800. The Ru Raptor 800 is a reliable and efficient machine that can handle a wide range of demanding tasks in various industries. Its powerful engine, robust construction, and versatile attachments make it a valuable asset for professionals who need to clear land and manage vegetation effectively. Lucas Portable Sawmill. A Lucas Portable Sawmill is a versatile, portable, and user-friendly sawmill system designed for milling logs into lumber. These sawmills feature a unique swing blade design, allowing the operator to cut both horizontal and vertical cuts with a single blade. This design enables the efficient cutting of large logs into various timber dimensions with minimal adjustments. Smallbar 2230. This chipper is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient wood chipping operations in forestry and land clearing applications. It's known for its high capacity, durability, and ease of use. It typically comes with a strong 415 HP Caterpillar C9.3B turbo diesel engine that provides high horsepower. This allows it to handle tough materials and large diameter logs efficiently. This forestry chipper is built to withstand rugged environments and handle high volumes of wood efficiently. It's ideal for large-scale projects where mobility and power are essential. The SC50 Stump scraper. The SC50 is equipped with a robust, sharp-edged blade designed to cut through roots and dig around stumps. This makes the removal process faster than using traditional digging methods. The Baker 3665D Sawmill. It's known for its ability to handle large logs efficiently and produce high-quality lumber. The 3665D is typically equipped with a diesel engine ranging from 65 to 80 horsepower, providing ample power for cutting through thick hardwoods and large diameter logs. It can handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter. The Liebherr LH35M. The Liebherr LH35M is a powerful and versatile material handler specifically designed for timber handling operations. It becomes an even more efficient solution for transporting and handling timber over longer distances. Equipped with a 150 kilowatt engine, the LH35M timber delivers exceptional power and performance, ensuring efficient handling of even the heaviest timber loads. The CMAN HD848. The CMAN HD848 is a heavy-duty, high-performance log debarker designed for efficient and precise removal of bark from logs in sawmill operations. It is a popular choice among sawmill operators due to its reliability, efficiency, and overall performance. It typically includes feeding systems to hold and rotate logs for even debarking. The CMAN HD848 might have features like powered-in feed rolls to guide and position logs. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.